Hey, this is CopperCarver, and today we are going over the newer LED bulb string lights. So Neewer, a company that is more well known for their photography equipment, for their videography equipment, are dipping their toes into the RGB space of like gaming lights and things like that. They do have RGB lights like light panels and ring lights and things like that, but this is for viewers that watch my products. Well, not my products, but you get what I'm saying. But this is for the viewers that love gaming lights and RGB lights of all sorts. So I'm super excited about this. That's my main point, because they are a very well-known company that does high quality products. I recently got their floor lamp, which was their first time dipping into this space. And honestly, the quality for their very first one was so high. The material was like metal and felt sturdy, but most of all, guys, and this is one of my biggest complaints with a lot of lighting companies outside of Govee, is a lot of the light transitions and movements are either too dang staticky or too quick. There's no slow, fluid light. But guys, out of the box, this one had that fluidity that is up there with Govee. Guys, this company is just now getting started with what they're calling their newer life lineup. And honestly, once they get a bigger set of products, I think there are going to be some competition for Govee. I really do. Nanoleaf is of course out there, but in my opinion, they're too dang expensive. Govee is starting to get pretty expensive. So I think that this is that company that hopefully rises up. So let's unbox this, look at some of the information. They do have an app, so I'm going to connect it to the app. And then later, hopefully this week, I can review also their rope light, which I'm super excited about. But let's dig into some of the more finer details about this product. So in looking at the Neewer website to see some information, first of all, let me say that it does look like they have 5 products now under what they are calling their Neewer Lifeline, which is essentially their RGB products that are more on the gamer side of things that I typically do. They have their floor lamp, which I already talked about. They have what looks like a RGB strip light for your desk, so that's really cool. They have permanent outdoor lights. I know that's a hot seller item, and it looks, I mean, this one that is showing right here, honestly, looks pretty cheap at $100 for 48 feet. They have a rope light, which I will be doing a review of later. And then of course they have their outdoor string lights, which we are talking about right now. So they have 3 different sizes. They have a 48-foot one, which is the one that I do not have. I don't have that one. They have a 48-foot one that is $80, not bad. The 96-foot one, which is the one that I have right here, is $109. And then they have a 144-foot one, which looks like it's out of stock right now, that sells for about $140. Now there is a timer up here that says Christmas sale ends in 3 days and 12 hours. So I'm not sure what the price will be after that, but my guess would be maybe $30 more. A couple other information about this. Now I do normally memorize this, but I just felt like looking at their website since I haven't really been here. This does go from 2700 Kelvin to 6500 Kelvin at 80 lumens per light bulb. 50 plus dynamic scenes. If you're familiar with Govee products, scenes are the preset lighting effects, which are really cool. They do have the AI mode on their app. Their app is actually very slick, smooth, and easy to use. And it seems like they are kind of starting their own little social media side that Govee has, where you can win prizes and stuff for your setups. This is rated IP65, IPF, or whatever it is, 65, so it is good for the outdoors. But you know what? Let's go ahead and open this up and take a look at everything. where I'm going to put these lights. 96 feet is long. My front already has the Govia icicle lights, and I really like those, and I don't want to take that down. So I may end up putting these lights in my backyard, which means I may have to clean up a little bit of the crap that's on my backyard porch. My house is nice. I'm not trashy, but that just means more work. So I'm gonna kind of clean up that, and then I guess I'll video me putting these up in my backyard so y'all can see the whole effect. So after clicking on the Neewer app and clicking plus and adding device, there was an update, but I also had it connected to my internet, so I'm gonna skip past that. But here's the main menu right here, where you can see the brightness, you can change the color temperature, which is really nice. I love the warm, neutrals, and cools. You got your solid colors that you can do right here, and you can do different spectrums. And then here are the scenes. The scenes are kind of the bread and butter of the device. This is where you get to see all the preset color effects. So feel free to pause at any point to read over some of these. After a bit, I am going to be clicking through some of these so you can see what these look like. You have it for, you know, holidays, for emotions, for just a bunch of different things. Over here, there are music modes, which they can react from the device or from your phone. They have the DIY. Oh, I totally forgot this. They do have a sports section where they have like the Dallas Cowboy colors and other colors like that. This right here is the AI mode, where you can ask it to create certain things based on different scenes. They do have it where you can create timers and schedules to go over all your lighting effects. So you can see your timers right there. But overall, guys, super easy to use. So the Neewer NR01 bulb string lights. How do I feel about them? Honestly, guys, they're great. I absolutely love them. The scenes are incredible. The fluidity of the scenes are great. The DIY customizations are awesome. The AI is pretty good. I mean, honestly, guys, I think that they have another banger on their hands. For the price isn't too bad, and honestly, they have a wide variation of sizes for your house, and it works out great. Installing these with the little clips on my gutters was super easy. Installing these on the app was super easy. Guys, I'm excited for Neewer and this Neewer lifeline that they are coming up with, and I'm excited to see what they add. The boxes look real nice. I will say it's kind of weird though. I'm pretty sure on the front image of their box they used AI to come up with the image, because you can see some weird, like, I don't know, is it artifacting? Is it just some weird AI issues? So I do think that that was kind of weird. But I mean, guys, other than that, they're absolutely awesome. I'm kind of sad that Christmas is over now, but they do have the warm, the cool, and neutral colors. So I mean, I guess I could leave them on all year round, or bring them on campsites and different things like that as they happen, just to light up and bring the environment up. Guys, I'm happy with these. I'm excited. Please like, share, and subscribe. And hopefully I will be bringing you some more newer lights soon. Thanks, guys.